But a bit of a roller coaster for a BC-based company. Tilray, the marijuana company, is now believed to be the largest in the world when it comes to market value. Haley Wooden with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more. And Haley, I bet so many investors wishing they would have bought some stock earlier this year.
Oh yeah, Tilray has had an amazing 2 months. Their IPO price mid-July was around $17. Yesterday during the day, those share prices hit around $300. That's a gain of around 1,600%. Now we did see a big correction. Share prices fell by about $130. They corrected above that. So early investors still enjoying really good gains, but a good example of a lot of the volatility we tend to see in cannabis companies. This week, a lot of focus on Tilray because it has received DEA approval to export medical cannabis to the U.S. for use in clinical trials. It's also one of just a couple of cannabis companies that trade on U.S. exchanges, and it is considered now the largest public cannabis company with a value of around $20 billion.
Pretty big. All right. Also big, Amazon. We know that they are expanding into the cashierless store market, but it looks like they're going pretty big, hoping to open up about 3,000 in the next few years.
Yeah, 3,000 stores would be a massive expansion. At this stage, they have 3 in Seattle, and they just opened 1 in Chicago this week. So that would be a very impressive rollout. We'll see if it happens. For anyone who doesn't know this store, it's the epitome of convenience. You walk in, grab what you want, and walk out with no lines, no cashier, and technology that automatically scans and charges your Amazon Prime account. Because it's a really disruptive model, we did see shares in Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Target take a bit of a hit yesterday on this report. 3,000 is a hard number to hit, though, and I'm wondering when we might see one of these stores in Canada. There's been a lot of speculation about whether Amazon might roll this technology out into Whole Foods locations, something to maybe watch for in the next couple of years.
Totally. Also probably has a lot of cashiers worried. I mean, my first job was as a cashier, but it looks like it's being faded away very quickly.
Yeah, exactly. Concerning for workers for sure.
All right, Haley, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Still ahead, getting a closer look at an ancient